And then there were four. The CAF Champions League has reached the semi-final stage, and amongst those left in the running are South Africa's Orlando Pirates. Standing in the way of a place in the final are two times winners Esperance of Tunisia. Pirates are the underdogs, but you get the feeling they don't mind that at all.
We've watched a lot of the DVDs, we know what they're about, and a team that's been in the final the last 3 years in a row, so we know what to expect. You know, probably the best, the most consistent team in Africa, without a doubt. So good to come up against a team like this and measure ourselves once again.
Coach Roger Desar's first job this week was to pick his players up after they lost in the final of a domestic cup competition. That defeat took the wind out of Pirates' sails, but the players are determined to move on.
I think in that previous game we did well, but we didn't manage to convert our chances. So we had to lose the game in the penalties. So I believe in this game everyone came to do the homework for the previous game. So I believe that we can do it on Saturday.
One element that could favour the Soweto side is that they expect Esperance to play attacking football rather than sit back and soak up the pressure. That should leave gaps for the home side to exploit. But Pirates are also aware that if they were to concede an away goal, their task for the second leg would become all the more difficult.
To concede at home is key. I think you mustn't concede. You've got to keep it's important to keep a zero at home. I think because that away goal can change things drastically. So, that's one of the priorities, and there's many others. But obviously to get a positive result. So it's important that we play the way we know how to play and play to our strengths.
So can Orlando Pirates take a giant stride towards the CAF Champions League final? They know they need a victory without conceding to give them genuine hope ahead of the second leg. It promises to be their toughest examination yet. Dan Williams, CCTV, Johannesburg.